All right, so we're going to look at the first page of the syllabus. This is Math 244, BA282. So inferential statistics is Math 244, business statistics, BA282. If you're concerned at all, if you're in the right course, some people, depending on if they're transferring to a four-year college, depending on the college and the program they're in, they may need Math 244 or you may need BA282. If you're at all concerned, please talk to your counselor, or you can email me details of what you're planning to do, and I'll let you know which class you should be in, or at least what I know. Okay, so anyways, this is summer 2018. My name is Daniel Lebowitz. This is online, web-based. Here's my email. Prerequisites. There are some classes you may not you may not have seen before. The BA285 CS125SS, which is spreadsheets, and BA285 involves Excel. This doesn't really apply here because we're actually just going to be using the TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator through the entire course. So this prerequisite doesn't make a difference. You don't need that. So the course description, this is actually directly from the website. So students will use Excel extensively to solve statistical problems. We're not using Excel. We're using TI-83. So it doesn't really apply here. So we're still going to be learning the same things, but involving calculations. We're not using Excel. We're going to be using the TI-83. So make sure you have that. You can use Excel if you want, and if you prefer to use Excel. There are some things that Excel cannot do in Math 244, and your TI-83 can do everything. So that's why I'm preferring to just use the TI graphing calculator. Excel is pretty good. You may be familiar with it. You may want to stick with that if you want. There's a lot of good YouTube videos you can find in how to do each of the tasks we're doing each week in Excel. But I'm providing videos in using your graphing calculator. But yeah, I'll leave it up to you which way you want to go. But either way, you can always ask me questions. Okay, this course is dual numbered BA282, as I mentioned. Math 244, BA282. And you're doing the same exact task for each class, so it's just a matter of numbering. It doesn't really make a difference on your transcript, so make sure you're in the right course. So course learning outcomes, I'm not going to go through these. Required materials, we have a free ebook, which I provided a link to here, and it's also provided in the course. I'm going to flip back to the course really quick. So you're going to be accessing MyOpenMath in this course. This is where you'll be the entire time. We're not using Blackboard at all. I'm planning to open up Blackboard, but I'm really not doing anything. I'm providing the syllabus and just telling you, hey, go over to MyOpenMath. And so we'll talk about MyOpenMath and how to access this in a moment. But I just wanted to show you the textbook. The interactive text, this is the link that I have. It's I really like this text. It had a lot of examples you can work through and click through, and it's just really well organized. I like it a lot for an ebook. If you do not like the ebook, then you can purchase a book from Amazon, the paperback or hardcover. It's pretty cheap, as you can see. I believe these prices are still correct. Let's just check really quick. 1057. We'll see. Yeah, okay, so $33.99, 1057. Okay, so the full cover hardcover is a little bit more expensive now. But yeah, so anyways, there's a few options. The free PDF download, I would say this is okay if you want to be able to access your ebook without internet. If you don't have internet access, then you might just want to download the PDF download, but it doesn't have the interactive aspects of the ebook. So if you have access to the internet, most of the time when you're looking at your textbook, then the interactive text is the way to go. The PDF is, yeah. Okay, so let me know if you have any concerns about the textbook. For now, if you want to order the ebook, or sorry, if you want to order the Amazon, one of the Amazon books, uh, I would suggest using the ebook for now until you get your Amazon book. But if you want to go that route, but yeah, ebook, it's pretty good. All right. So, and another thing, I'll just point out. Let's just go to the ebook here. You'll notice that it's called Advanced High School Statistics, first edition. So this is the textbook for AP Statistics. We're going through pretty much the second half of the course and one extra concept that's not covered in here, known as ANOVA. Yeah, so I'll explain that in a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty much an AP Statistics, kind of the second half of it. Or you can think of it as the second semester of AP Statistics. I chose this because they had a really good ebook, and yeah, so anyways, don't worry too much about it saying high school. It's covering the same concepts, and it's all good, besides that one section. And I'll just show you right now. Flip back to here. Okay, so in week 7, you'll notice that ANOVA, it doesn't say section, it just says ANOVA. That's because it's not covered in the textbook. And I mentioned that there's helpful videos and textbook pages, a link to a different textbook inside the actual homework. I'll point that out just a moment here. Textbook homework pages. So you can access the textbook pages here, and you can get helpful videos throughout the the questions you'll see. Anyways, yeah. So okay, so let's go back to the syllabus here, and we'll see that. So you need a TA83 or 84 plus or non-plus edition, and then here the My Open Math access information. You're going to want to go to myopenmath, I believe, .org. Let's see here. Yeah, it's myopenmath.com, and you'll want to set up an account, or you'll want to add a course if you've used MyOpenMath before. Some of you have used that since we switched over to MyOpenMath for Math 95 and 65 and those lower math classes back in winter. So you may have a MyOpenMath course, so you just need to add a course, and you'll add the information in the syllabus. So this is the course ID, this is the enrollment key. So anyways, yeah, so let me know if you have any concerns about that. Grading, my math assignments, the auto-graded assignments, I'll go into this a little bit more in a minute. It's worth 75% of your grade. And then there's discussions. There's 3 separate discussions, which I'll discuss in a little bit, worth 25% of your grade. And that's it. There's no actual exams. You don't have to go to the testing center to take exams. It's just these 2 different type of activities. Okay, normal grading scheme here. And anyways, that's all I'm going to discuss in this video. And then I'm going to make separate videos going over my math assignments and discussions, and then a separate video about how to get help in the course. So go ahead and watch those videos, and let me know if you have any concerns.